Are you having a hard time scaling your business? Or you just want to start growing your business, but you're having doubts? Growing and scaling your business is just as hard as starting it because you will not only make sure that your business is growing, but you also have to make sure that growth is steady. Setting proper goals is necessary for you who's serious about scaling your business, making more money, producing more product, and achieving your dreams. In this video, you will learn 10 tips to grow and scale your business. But before getting into it, please subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon for regular updates. Tip number 1, research your competition. When you started your business, you might or might not have done your research. This time you really have to do your research. When going to market and you're really looking to get your offer to the masses, you need to research your competition. You can use 2 platforms, the SimilarWeb and AdBeat. Both provide competitive intelligence, giving you X-ray lenses into all landing pages, ad copy, and other stages of the funnel. These platforms allow you to uncover any advertiser's online strategy and find the ads that have been running for the longest, then emulate those. If they are proven to work for your competitors, it's likely that it will work for you. Tip number 2, build a sales funnel. One way to quickly grow your business is by building a sales funnel. If you don't have a sales funnel, you're making a monumental mistake. Sales funnels can help you automate your business. At first, it involves some front-end work, but once those processes are in place, it's smooth sailing from there. Every sales funnel needs to be carefully conceptualized before it's created. So, consider different funnels first and foremost, whether it's a free plus shipping offer or a high-ticket coaching funnel. Remember, it's important to build your automated selling machine to easily scale and grow your business. Tip number 3, invest in employees. Companies invest a great deal of money in their employees for a good reason. It helps them grow by retaining and attracting top talent who are more loyal, have more fulfilling work-life balance, and work harder. When employees feel valued, they will passionately share your vision and dig deep to help your business thrive. When people are financially invested, they're looking for a return on that investment. When your company feels valued, they become emotionally invested and they want to contribute. Investment also goes beyond perks and benefits. Meet with key people throughout your company. Talk to employees and find out what resources they feel are needed to work better and more efficiently. Invest in the resources that will help them to stay and scale with operations as your business grows. Tip number 4, stay tuned into your business. As a business owner, you can't be involved in everything. So it's important to delegate and let other, better suited people handle the work. But that doesn't mean you should step back and tune out. Just because it's being handled does not mean that you're not involved. When you stay tuned into your business and are aware of your surroundings, you'll better anticipate the need for change and adjustment and be able to quickly pivot and adapt when the time comes. Growth isn't a straight line to the top. It's more like scaling a rock wall. It's a slow, steady, strategic climb, and you need to be aware of every handhold, foothold, and loose stone in order to make it to the summit. Tip number 5, utilize a customer management system. Manually tracking transactions is hard. No one wants to do that. It gets too cumbersome as the business grows. If you want to scale quickly, use a customer management system. There are plenty to choose from. It really depends on your line of work for which you choose. Of course, cloud-based software like Salesforce is always a viable option. QuickBooks can help you with the accounting piece. Infusionsoft can also assist with sales and marketing. There are plenty of CMS systems, most of which integrate with other cloud-based services. Find what works for you and utilize it. Tip number 6, create a customer loyalty program. Loyalty programs are a great way to increase sales. Building a new customer loyalty program will help you retain customers. It might also help you to attract new ones as well. Sure, you might need to spend money, but it'll pay off in the long run. Build an attractive loyalty program and make it accessible to your existing customers, and watch your sales skyrocket over time. Tip number 7, change your approach to pricing and income. Changing the way you think about the pricing structure in your company is huge. You might have a solid system in place that is working for a small company, but this may need to change. If you're planning to grow, try something called value pricing. This will charge your clients based on the value you're offering. Also, try looking at different outsourcing options so that you have more people helping you to get the job done in less time. The sooner you can establish your new structure and/or get a system in place that allows you to grow, the better. Tip number 8, avoid spending on speculation. The key is to have sustainable growth and is in the hard data. This can come from a variety of sources and often revolves around your customers and prospects. While it's important to spend money on things that help with operations and fulfillment to ensure your company can handle growth, you should also spend money on data-driven marketing. This includes marketing to acquire new customers as well as marketing to engage existing ones. When you pay attention to the data, you'll be able to address major issues, like the causes of customers' churn or leaks in your sales funnel that are limiting acquisition. Your site analytics, survey response, social insights, and customer data can reveal a wealth of opportunities where taking action will have significant impact on the growth and scalability of your organization. Tip number 9, try to predict the future. Setting your business up to grow, having the right products, processes, and people doesn't always guarantee a smooth ride. You can still experience difficulties on your journey, which you need to spot well in advance before they damage your business. Having alerts provides a solution. Simple numbers that help you to spot that something isn't quite working. Then you can fix things or take evasive action. Stay particularly close to your financiers. Monitor your cash flow and measure your performance daily, because that will give you hundreds of opportunities a year to make things right. Tip number 10, identify new opportunities. Analyze new opportunities in your business by understanding your demographics better. Understand everything from distribution channels to your direct competitors, and even analysis of foreign markets and other potential industries. There are likely dozens of new opportunities that you could pursue immediately with the proper amount of analysis. So that is all for today. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments section below. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.